All right, what's up, people? Thank you for tuning in to Being Mario. And today I will be installing brand new headlight assembly for the 2006 Ford F-150. These are the old original OEM headlights assembly. Now, I've seen a lot of videos where people show you tips and tricks and methods of cleaning the headlight housing, but don't do that. Don't do that. Just replace them. They're really not that expensive. I bought a pair of these on eBay for about $75 for the pair. So instead of trying to clean that up, just replace them. It's really simple. I have these 3 bolts. I don't know what size they are, but I think they're like maybe a 12 millimeter. 1, 2, and 3. It's easy. Just pull it out and install the new one and connect all the wiring harnesses. Very simple. Very simple. I can train a monkey to do it. Yeah. So forget cleaning them. Just replace them. All right. The new headlight assembly is installed. Takes about 10-20 minutes. It looks so much better. Than those old dusty. Now I have mine outfitted with LASFIT LED lights. These are the brightest LEDs on the market. That is the switchback turn signal, really cool. Switchback, really bright. Really bright interior. Looks like daylight inside. How about that? Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in to Being Mario. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.